Listen to me, honey. Not every advice is for you. Trust me, not every advice is for you. Sometimes the people who are healing don't need hard work, they need soft work. Okay, let me give you an example. Okay, I was watching a video about self care, and she gave the advice that if your face is puffy, like me, and your jawline is like not clearly visible and your face is like this bulky puffy, then it means your cortisol levels are high and you're eating way too much sugar. But it also means that your stress level is high. Okay, that day I took it very seriously. Like, okay, my face is puffy, it doesn't look good. That time I was like, somehow I just started feeling very sad about my face, and that insecurity hits, that my face is fluffy. And after some time I realized, bro, come on, you have survived years of trauma, you're still surviving years of trauma. Since childhood you never felt safe, and what you're expecting from a body who survive years of trauma to have a balanced cortisol level? Of course not. Even though you don't eat so much sugar, but if you deal on a very on a stress level which is very high, your face will be fluffy. Things affect. It's not just the trauma, the abuse is not just in your brain, bro. It's in your whole body. Some of your body part will ache. Maybe it affects your posture, your traumas and the abuse you've been through affects your posture, affects your face, affects your hair, affects your nail. My nails were very healthy, but by the time the things got worse, now they don't even grow. My natural nails were goals for people. Like they used to look like extensions, but now they don't even grow because the things get worse and worse. And the trauma affected my body so much. Your skin, your skin get affected. Your gut, bro. Your gut, your sleep, every single thing get affected by your trauma. So just understand which advice you're taking in which way. Not every advice is for everyone, bro. When someone go through trauma, years of abuse, or have a dysfunctional family, they all the time they learn perfectionism. You have to perform all the time, and rest is the difficult thing for us. Rest feels like insane for us. We are so unsafe even in rest. Even thinking about sleeping peacefully or resting in a day, it feels tough for us. Bro, I have worked 14 hours, 20 hours, 16 hours. And when I used to watch those self development videos, they talk about hard work and you should do extra hours. Bro, you're a trauma survivor. You don't need hard work, you need soft work. I learned it very hard way that I was already working too much while handling many mental health disorders, while I'm still in a place where I was hurt. I was still handling a job, college, or my YouTube. I was way more, too much handling, and while I was healing too, I was learning my patterns too. I was doing, sometime I like just do like deep healing, reopening wounds, and the trauma survivor us. We do things like that. We actually put so much effort, so we burn out. We should not think about hard work. We should think about soft work. Trust me, I'm saying that when I stopped doing that hard work drama. See, hard work is important, but things are different for everyone. Don't waste your time. Advice is for the people who are wasting their time, not for the people who are working 2, 3 shifts. Understood? Weight loss advice is for the people who are way overweight, not for the ones starving every day. We need to understand which advice to take. Honey, I'm telling you one thing. When I stopped working, doing that too much work, and I just lessen things, and even though when I shoot video, I ask myself, are you ready for it? Do you actually want to do it? It's not I need to do it, I have to do it, I have to upload. No. Dear inner child, do you want to do it right now? Do you want to teach right now? Do you want to play that part right now? If yes, then we are sitting down and shooting, otherwise, we are sleeping. That's it. Be the person your inner child craved for. And trust me, when I started doing this, my creativity returned by the time I started writing again. I started writing again. I started making story again. I started sketching again. I started reading again. You have to be soft on yourself. World is enough hard on you. World is enough hard on you, honey. I'm telling you. I will tell you that hard 100 times that your family is enough hard on your friends, your partner. The world already failed you. They already hurt you so much. They already made you work so hard for no reason. So please be your supporter, be there for yourself. Now you need you. Please be soft on yourself. Just start to listen to your inner child. Just start to listen to your body. Start resting. It's tough. It took me 3 months to understand what I can do as a soft. It will take time. It will take years of download won't be deleted in one day. I know. But just start paying little bit of attention. When your body is exhausted, please stop every single thing. Nothing matters in the world more than you and your inner child. Nothing, not even $1 million, not even global reputation, sir. Even till this day, if my inner child says I'm not gonna shoot it, I'm always like, bro, I don't want 3 video revenue if it costs your rest, if it costs your peace. You should do that too. Stop hurting yourself for some amount of money, some amount of things, some amount of something. World already taught you that you need conditions to fulfill to be loved. Don't do it with yourself, bro. I know things are important, but tell me really, aren't they hurting? Do you really want? Okay, just tell me. Will you advise someone very precious to you to die for some dollars, to hurt themselves for a, I don't know, reputation? Nobody has a reputation here, bro. Nobody has a reputation here. Even the Bill Gates made so much money, so much reputation. Nobody remembers him. Do you go home and think about, oh, Bill Gates made the reputation? Do you sleep and think about that? Selena Gomez have a very good fan following. No, nobody cares at the end, bro. Nobody cares. People do care for minutes, for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes, for days. Some people even have crushes on you, but nobody really cares. Prioritize yourself. Nothing matters more than you. Nothing, not even a single thing matters. I hope you get it, and please get it. Please repeat if you want to understand. Meet you in the next one. Like it if you like, subscribe, share, and please comment what I need to improve and what you need to learn. And if that video connected with you, or you're still lovable, you're still so much worthy without $1 billion, without working 34 shifts, sorry, without working 34 hours, without working endless hours, without a reputation, without anything, bro. Between anything, what comes in front of you, just add to your worth. It doesn't say you're worthy. You're worthy even when you're broke. You're worthy even when you have no people in your life. You're worthy even if you have 3 subscribers. I just told myself that the other day. You're worthy as you are. Bye bye and Radhe Radhe.